Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off voicemail on your iPhone, step by step. If you're tired of getting voicemail notifications or just want to disable it completely, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Now let's go with the easiest way, using a dial code. Open your iPhone phone app, go to the keypad, and type this code, 1004H, then press the call button. To check if it worked, call your number from another phone. If voicemail is off, it'll either ring continuously or show user busy instead of going to voicemail. If the code doesn't work, no worries. Some carriers block voicemail settings for users. Just call your network provider's customer care and ask them to disable voicemail for your number. It usually takes just a few minutes. Final steps, click Setting, then Phone and disable call forwarding. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off voicemail on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, comment "done" below, and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks every week. See you in the next one.